If you are looking for latest news, then you can also utilize Qwen for that. So for that, you can actually go around onto more and you can see that news is an option. So it says tell me to, and it says tell me latest news from New York, tell me about today's weather update and what's happening in technology now. So let's just go ahead and choose this preset. You can also go ahead and then type in your own prompt. But if I were to go ahead and then do that, then it enables out the search, as you can see right here, because it searches out the news from the internet and gives you results on the basis of that. So it says in 2025, several key technology trends are shaping the future. Artificial intelligence is playing a central role with AI agents, as you can see right here. And you can see that this is what you have right here. And this is how you can actually go ahead and utilize Qwen to go ahead and search for the latest news as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.